Alam mo ba yung 11 herbs and spices ni KFC ay marketing strategy lamang? Yes, in fact, ito na yung buong recipe niya and you can literally copy and create your own KFC. Actually, nalaman natin to because in 2016, the nephew of Colonel Sanders accidentally shared a handwritten notebook of this 11 herbs and spices. Pero, bakit parang KFC is still striving? Because in reality, guys, no, etong 11 herbs and spices, with the technology right now, imposibleng sikreto na lang siya. No? You can reverse engineer KFC's recipe or any other recipe and create your own. This is not even intellectually patented or whatever. You cannot patent in a recipe, okay? Pero they're using this as a marketing strategy. Kasi if you just say na, uy, masarap yung manok namin, then everybody says that. But if you say na, hey, kami lang yung nag-iisang KFC because we're the only one who has this 11 secret herbs and spices, which is actually hindi naman talaga secret kasi malamang etong mga to, ginagamit mo to para gumawa ng manok. And the reason why KFC is still striving despite you can literally copy this is because you're actually not buying the spices. You're actually buying the brand. Kumbaga, you can right now copy and create your own KFC, a cheaper KFC, and even possible mas masarap na KFC. Pero what you cannot beat is the red bucket and the face of Colonel Sanders. That itself is you cannot copy. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, huwag kang matakot na maraming kumopya sa produkto mo. Kasi takot na takot ka, baka kopyahin ako. Hala, anyone can copy you. But what they cannot copy is your brand, is your story, is the reason why you exist. And this is why KFC is still striving despite this. My name is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.